We have got two lists, list 1 and list 2, and we want to find out the members that are common between those two lists. We also want to find out the members that are in list 1 but not in list 2, and the other way around. And finally, we want to find out the members that are unique between those two lists. Let's try with the first one, which is common elements between the two lists. Which formula will we use? We'll use XMath. And lookup value can be either of these two lists. Lookup array has to be the other list. And 0 for exact math. We will add this formula with another formula called is number. And we got true and false answers, and that is the right stage for the filter formula to come in. And filter, the first argument will be array, which will be this one. So we got the common elements by using the formula filter, is number, and xmatch. 4, 5, 6 are the common elements between the two lists. Now let us move on to the next objective, which is find the members that are in list 1 but not in list 2. How do we do that? We use again xmatch formula. Lookup value this time has to be this one, and lookup array will be the other one. Xmatch will be 0. We will wrap this with a formula called is na, not is number, which was the other one in the other formula. This time again we got false and true, and again we will use filter because we are getting false and true here. This time will has to be this one, list 1. So we got the elements 1 and 2 which are in list 1 but not in list 2. Exactly the same way we'll find the members that are in list 2 but not in list 1. Lookup value this time has to be list 2, unlike the previous one which was list 1. And we'll again use is na just like we did the immediate previous one. And again we will use filter, but this time the first argument will be this formula, this array. So we got 7 and 8, we use 8 which are in list 2 but not in list 1. Now unique elements between the two lists, we'll use a formula called vstack, which is available only in Microsoft 365, and we will array 1 and array 2, those are the two arguments of the vstack. So we can use formula used here at the argument 1 and formula used here as argument 2. So that those formula are here. First formula used is here, the second formula used is here, and we just do that. So 1, 2, 7, 8 are the unique elements between the two lists. The same objective can be met by vstack, but instead of formula used here, we can use the position of the formula, which is dynamic formula. So how we can do that? Use just formula is here, dynamic formula. So we use h5, but just use a hash and comma, and then the second in the second argument we use position of that formula, which is j5, but hash. So j5 and h5 hash suggests that we are using the dynamic formula. So those who are new to dynamic formula, this can be an eye opener. Thank you for watching.